Hey everybody, I'm Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Thursday, and we're going to follow Cathy around to see what sold for us today. I think today was a bit of a slow day for us.
Slowish. Yeah, we've been doing summer stuff. So, the first sale is actually going to a viewer, but I don't know your name because your shipping label says your business name, so you know who you are. So thank you so much for your purchase. He actually bought 5 items from us. So the 2 of them are on the table because I just listed yesterday. So one was this mini boat in. It's like a towel cover-up thing for kids. We have several of them. They're so cute when little kids wear those. And then these are just some Volcom shorts that were also my son's. So those 2, and then BJ. Alright, so this is an Eleanor Rose dress. So one of the ones we got from the JBF sale. This is a Zoe Adeline, I believe, dress. This one was so cute. Like, I'd never heard of this brand, but I just love hot air balloon stuff, so I grabbed that one.
Yeah.
That also was from that JBF. And then also the third one is as well. Was this Wildflowers dress. So, I mean, she paid like a per price item plus a bunch of shipping. So I ended up refunding her some of the shipping because she way overpaid. So after I refunded her the shipping, the total for all of this came out to $116.86. So wow. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love all these items that you picked out. So
thank you so much for the support.
Yeah, so she lived in Texas. So shipping was like $9.36, I think. I have about $11 into each dress, and then these 2, since they were my kids, I think I have like probably 30 to 35 in those 2. So
those 2.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much. All right, and then AI. So these are some Alegria track shoes, sneakers. These I picked up at Goodwill for $9.99, sold them on eBay for $34.95 plus shipping. And G, this was a really good sale. So these are that brand Vuori. I think I talked about it one other time when I sold that Vuori Peloton shirt. But yeah, these are a pair of shorts. I got these at a local thrift for $6.99. Sold them, I just listed them last night, and I sold them for $50 plus shipping on Mercari. So that's a really great brand to look out for.
Yeah, both of those have sold very quick
really
for us.
Really fast and for good money. I think pretty much any piece you can get at least $40 at least right now. June 2021. So if you're watching this a year from now, maybe check comps before you.
Maybe they're selling even better. You never know.
So this is the brand Gentle Souls by Kenneth Cole. I just picked these up recently for, well, my average cost of goods this day was $7.11, and I sold them for $25 plus shipping on eBay. Right, and then B. Okay, these are some Mephisto sandals. Really good brand to look out for, similar to like a Birkenstock. These ones I picked up for my average cost of goods $10.27. Sold them on eBay for $39.95 plus shipping, and shipping cost was a padded flat rate $7.76. All right, box P. Nope. Right, this is just the brand Chaser. It's like a skull racerback tank top. Picked this up at Goodwill for $1.99, sold it for $22.21 free shipping. It's only like 2.5 ounces, so it only costs $3.35 to ship out. And last but not least, another bundle. So we got AT. Where am I?
Right down here.
Okay. And then AQ. So 2 more of these Dillard's pants. I don't know what's going on. It might just be because people are starting to go back to work more and stuff.
Yeah, having to dress up.
Yeah, these have been listed for like a year, so I don't know what's up. I think I've been dropping the price a lot. So I think they were down to $17 a piece. Someone bundled them and offered me $25 for both, which I was happy to accept. So I make $20 out of that. I have $2 into each pair, so
all right.
Yeah, really glad to see those.
Was that a viewer or
I don't think so.
just a
Yeah.
bundle from a buyer? So okay.
Yep.
Yeah. we're going to go ahead and get the stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that stuff packed up, and we were about to take some video, closing out the video, or at least rolling into the next day, but we had 3 sales come in, back to back to back.
That was my own doing. I decided to go through and send some offers on Kitizen. It's been pretty slow over there, and people have carded stuff. I just haven't been as active as I usually am, so I've been forgetting to send offers. So I sent maybe 10 offers, and 3 of them accepted like right away. So yeah, if you're not on Kitizen and want to try it out, we have a link below. Let me see. I need to get in BD, man. Okay, there's your tummy rub.
Come here, Reese. Come on. Go.
Dude.
Stretch it out. Come on. You good boy.
Actually, 2 of them are in this box because I just listed them yesterday. The first one is this adorable essentials dress. I've had this forever. I had it listed on all platforms. I've dropped prices. I've taken it to JBF. It didn't sell there. I didn't want to take it back to Once Upon a Child, which is where I got it, because I paid $6.50 for it originally, and they'd only give me like $1 or something for it. So I at least wanted to make my $6.50 back. So I relisted it, I think for $20 on Kitizen, and then someone put it in their cart. I just sent them an offer of $15 free ship, just because I knew I'd at least get my money back. So that I might have made like $1 or $2 profit on. These are the brand Gray Label, which is a really good kids brand to look out for, but I think it's hard to find at like thrift shops and stuff like that. So these I bought for my son off Kitizen a while back for $20. Sold them just now for $30 free ship. So basically breaking even on those. And BH.
You almost moved in the way again, Mr. Reese.
Alright, this is the brand. I've never heard of the brand. I just thought this was a cool looking romper. I think the brand was Lolly. I got this at JBF. My average cost of goods on the lower price stuff that day was $4.11, so that's what I have into it. Sold it for $18 free ship. Shipping was $4.15 through Kitizen, so I think it was like a $7-8 profit on that. So not too bad.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack those up off camera, and I think we're gonna roll right into tomorrow's What Solds. All right, guys, it's Friday. We're gonna go ahead and start following Cathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey guys, all right, first sale's actually going out to a viewer named Molly. So Molly, thank you so much. She grabbed these Reeboks, like a running shoe, and they sold for $36.35 free ship. I just did a sell similar on these and then took away the shipping basically. She is in Maryland, I believe, so shipping did cost me $10.68 out of that, and the shoes were $7.99 to begin with. So Molly, thank you so much. She said she's a fairly new reseller and learning from us, so
Awesome.
Good luck with your journey.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support, Molly.
All right, L.
And thank you for watching the channel.
Yes.
That's a big help.
I don't know if this is a viewer, but I think the same. So somebody on Kitizen messaged me asking like a measurement of this Wildflowers top. And then I'm pretty sure it's the same person that bought it, but on eBay because it was a little bit cheaper there. So if you are a viewer, Megan, thank you so much. But if not, also thank you so much. So this Wildflowers top sold for $23.29 free ship. That was one of my JBF finds, so I do have $11 into it, which again is kind of a lot, but we've been doing well with them. Most of them I've been profiting over. I think I said I wanted to at least, double my money on the whole deal, and I've definitely done that so far. So $23.29 free ship. It is only like 3-ounce top, so it only costs $3.06 to ship out. So it was like a $6 profit on that one, which isn't the best, but again, some of the others have been selling for like $20 profits.
When you average it all out, it's working out.
Yep.
So yeah, if you are a viewer, thank you so much for the support.
All right, and then BU. These New Balance shoes. I had paid up for these because they were like in almost brand new condition. Paid $12.99 for them at Goodwill. They've been listed a few months at this point. Just dropped the price and did free shipping, and then they finally sold. So I don't know if you guys are seeing a pattern here, but yeah, ever since I started doing my sell similars again, stuff is selling a lot faster than if I just was leaving it to like auto relist itself and not changing anything about it. So yeah, $36.35 free ship. These are luckily under £1, so shipping only costs $5.81 on these. Like think I just about double my money, so I'm good with that. Alright, CV. Uh-oh. There's a lot of stuff here. One day we won't have to walk around stuff, maybe.
Probably not.
These are some Ariat sandals. These have been listed quite a while. I feel like over 6 months. I paid $7.99 for them and finally sold for $20 plus shipping. That was an offer I sent out. ID. This was actually one of my son's shirts. It's just Johnny B, which is like a Bowden line. I bought that off Kitizen for $16. I think he wore it once or twice, and then I sold it for $17.10 plus shipping. So I'm still probably losing $2-3 off of that after all the fees and everything. Excuse me, Reese. I swear you'd get in front of all the boxes we need, Bubby. Excuse me, Bub. Really?
You gotta give him a tummy rub. Come here, Reese. Come here.
Come on.
Reese, come.
I'm not joking.
Reese, come here.
Things were like joking or something.
Good boy.
You're just a little man.
Good boy.
All right. I feel like there's 2 things in here. Maybe I should just grab them both before.
He lays back down there. He's already working his way back.
All right. So first up.
Oh, Reese.
Aw.
You don't have to lay like that.
So these mayoral shorts actually also sold to a viewer, Trisha. Thank you so much. She grabbed these on Kitizen. I didn't know she was a viewer, but she put them in her cart. I sent her an offer, $20 free shipping. Shipping on Kitizen was $4.15 for these. And I had bought those for my son, but he's like 6 right now, and those are a size 7. They were just a little too big, and I didn't want to save them all the way till next year, so I listed them. I got those at Once Upon a Child for $5.50. So after all the fees and everything, probably about doubling my money off of those. Let me find this other one I'm holding while we're here. Again, one of my son's items. This was a childhood's hoodie. I actually bought this off Mercari a while back. My son wore it several times. It has like a bunch of those water spots on it, and it's pretty faded because navy like fades pretty fast. So I paid $28 for it originally and sold it for $31 plus shipping. So about breaking even on that. This was a really good sale. H. And this was actually a bundle, so H and V. Alright, it's 2 pairs of Torrid size 28 Noah tag shorts, denim shorts. I got these both at Goodwill. My average cost of goods this day came out to $9.73 per item, so close to $20 into the 2 pairs, but they sold for $70 plus shipping, so really good sale. I think that was like a $40 profit.
Very nice.
Really, really good. Then these Crocs sold on Kitizen. $25 free ship. That was an offer I sent to someone who put them in their cart. Shipping cost $5.15 through Kitizen. I had paid $7.99 for the shoes at Goodwill, so about doubling my money on those. AB.
You over here pouting?
That's his happy face.
That's his happy face.
These are Jack Rogers, which I'm used to selling like the sandals of Jack Rogers. It kind of like goes with Lily Pulitzer and stuff, but these were some suede like driving loafers, and I grabbed them because they were in like perfect condition almost. I did pay $9.99 for them. I did a like Instagram poll, would you pick these up or not? And I think it was pretty split half and half to like yes or no. I decided to take a chance, and they've been listed maybe a month or 2. Got a $30 offer, so I accepted that. $14 profit, that's pretty good. Since I wasn't sure, there honestly was like hardly any comps for the loafers, just mostly the sandals. All right, since I'm right here, box D. These are a pair of like Nike Tech shorts. I got these at a local thrift for $5.99. Sold them on Mercari for $27 plus shipping. So, some Nike is way better than other Nike. Any of like the red tag pieces seem to do really well for me. All right, AU. This is just a Levi's denim jacket. And this one, it's been listed a few months at this point, so someone offered me $19. I just accepted that. I have $4.99 into it, so I was happy with that.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got that stuff all packed up, ready to go to the post office, and just wanted to talk real quick about this.
Yeah, so I found this at the garage sale, and we did the garage sale haul, and I mentioned I think it would sell for $20. I could have sworn I scanned it at the garage sale, but when I'm scanning it now, it's like not. Okay, there's one that it pulled up. All right, let's see. Okay, holy moly. Okay.
Did it go up even more?
It did come up with this time. So yeah, brand new $102.99 plus shipping, $125 plus shipping, $99 free shipping, and then $60 plus shipping. That one they did bid, so don't do bid unless it's like a really cool item that's actually gonna get bids.
Right.
But yeah, so that person that did bid could have gotten an extra $40 pretty much, but they just didn't. So yeah, this might be $1 into $100. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So.
And then on these MacBooks, I did end up buying a charger, and for this one that has the broken screen, I wanted to get this connector so I can at least see if the computer works, and if it's just the screen, I might consider just replacing the screen and maybe trying to get a little bit more money out of it. I don't know. We'll see. But as far as numbers go, Cathy's been on a roll with this week, getting listings up.
I already have 106 listings up, and it's not even Friday yet. Well, it's Friday, but
it's Friday right now.
I have 20 more drafted that I should definitely be able to get up tonight. I know I always say it, but I've been on a roll, and I'm going to stay on a roll. So yeah, 106 already. If I get 20 more, that's 126. If I can do some tomorrow even. I don't know, we have a birthday party and stuff to go to, so I don't know about tomorrow, but at the very least we should be at 120, I would say, this week. So that's good, and the dollar amount is also above what I expect. But yeah, kind of making up for last week when we were out of town. So, and we've been sourcing. We were like, I haven't done any work today yet other than shipping because we garage saled from about 9 to 1 or so.
Yeah.
Got some lunch, laid the kids down, and then it's pretty much shipping time.
Yep.
So.
Showered up from being out in the hot. It's hot here in Colorado.
Hot, and it wasn't even that hot today compared to this last week. So
it's actually pretty nice.
We'll probably go out another couple hours tomorrow morning before the birthday party. So yeah, the garage sales have been good. I don't know if we found anything amazing. Actually, there was one sale that we got a bunch of stuff for like $4. So
yeah, they were getting rid of stuff.
Rid of everything. I feel like we got like a new wave oven, and we'll do a garage sale haul, but like a whole bunch. And she was like, "How about $4 for all of it?" Sold. So
we actually forgot about one item from our last haul.
The vacuum.
Yeah, a free vacuum. Yeah. We'll talk about that.
And then I think we had those rollerblades too. I never showed those, but that's some I got last week. I just think I put them in our garage and didn't show them. So.
And also on Tuesday the 29th, Cathy's going to be on with Nurse Flipper. That's my chicken scratch handwriting there, but she's going to be on the Nurse Flipper show Tuesday night.
She does a live every week, so she invited me back, even though I ruined it last time and showed up
super late.
Like an hour late because I messed up the time
zone differences.
So she had pity on me. She invited me back. So
thanks,
I doubt
Kat.
she's watching, but thanks, Kat. Yeah, if you are watching.
We're excited about that, and hopefully you guys will tune into that. And that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.